Hey, what's up guys, Vic Christoph here with PhoneArena, and today I have an exciting new gadget to unbox for you. This is the OnePlus 5T in Sandstone White. This is the new version of the handset with a white back and the black front. So let's peel this cover real fast, a really satisfying feeling. Let's unbox this gadget and see what's inside the box. First, we have inside the box we have a red USB-C cable as well as a dash charger, and here we have the European version, and dash charge works really fast, and we'll talk more about this later. Now inside this red box we have some literature, so let's take everything out of the box, and a nice surprise. Here's a clear view case, a silicone case for the OnePlus 5T that you can use for those first few days. You have some literature, a few stickers, and you have a SIM ejector tool, which is always nice to have. So let's put on this case and see how it looks. It's really thin, almost unnoticeable, and it highlights that white color on the back. It looks nice for at least the first few days. So let's fire up the OnePlus 5T and see if there are any differences, how it looks like. Let's set it up real quick, and in the beginning we're asked what is our preferred font. We go with OnePlus Slate, it looks really nice, and we'll set up the phone real quick. So the OnePlus 5T is powered by the Snapdragon 835 system chip, and it looks just like a flagship, performs like a flagship, but costs much less. It costs $560 for the unlocked phone in the US, and this is a price that is way lower than the $800+ that you pay for Samsung's iPhones and so on. So it's a really good deal. Now you can see here the version, it runs Android 7.1 Nougat, and it will soon get updated to Android 8.0 Oreo, which is a nice thing to have. And the interface is very clean. The phone itself feels very fast, very zippy. There are no excess animations. Everything runs smoothly. Everything is well balanced, and overall we're quite impressed with the performance of the OnePlus 5T and typically of OnePlus phones. Here's what a folder looks like. Here's the interface. Nice wallpapers. OnePlus always has some custom wallpapers for the OnePlus 5T. And here we have a dual camera system on the back of the phone, and we also have a fingerprint scanner that you can use to quickly unlock the phone, and the OnePlus logo on the bottom. And so here's how the fingerprint scanner works. It's really easy to set up, and you have this very distinct red alert slider that gives this phone personality, something that is lacking in modern phones. On the bottom we have a headphone jack, which is nice to have, a USB-C port for charging, and a very loud and good sounding loudspeaker. And we also have a pre-applied screen protector, which is a nice touch by OnePlus. Once again, it's nice to have that screen protector so the screen does not get scratched in those first few days. And we have dash charge. Dash charge is a proprietary technology that works really fast and fast charges your phone even while you're using it. So let's set up security and take a quick look at the interesting features of the OnePlus 5T. Here's the fingerprint scanner. Let's set it up, and it takes just a few taps, really quick, and now it's set up. And there is one more cool option that we want to show you here, and this is the face unlock capability of the OnePlus 5T. It uses its front camera to recognize your face, but it does not use a 3D model, so it's not as accurate as, say, the iPhone 10, but it still should work really good. And one thing that we notice is that it is really fast. Here's me not looking at the phone, it doesn't unlock, and the very moment I look at the phone, it unlocks in a snap. It's really fast, impressively so. So that's it guys, a quick look at the OnePlus 5T and unboxing. Do you like this phone? Like this video if you enjoyed watching, subscribe to our channel, and I will catch you in the next one.